welcome back. I think I might vlog this. Well, I am vlogging it, but I think I might post this. We'll just see how it goes today. But starting where I started last vlog, and that was London Drugs, where I bought a new tripod, and then I lost it within that 20 minutes of the day. So yeah, why not start again? Hopefully this isn't bad luck or anything, but I got a new tripod. It's a Manfrotto. Don't know if that's a crazy good company, but I just bought it. Seems durable, but I kind of want to explore a new area, especially with the fall colors out. The trees are all beautiful. Hey guys, hope you found a good spot. This was just off the road. Bunch of yellow trees overlooking the valley. Kind of cool. But yeah, I just came up this road here. As you see, there's dirt bikers and you can hear them in the distance over there. This will be the first spot. I gotta get over this barbed wire first. And we'll see how it turns out. And of course there's some trees higher. So I think I'm just gonna get to the highest point up there and then shoot down and see what happens. How could you not love this time of year? All right, that's what we're working with. That's pretty cool. I thought I'd get more of a view from down there, but I think this is the best I'm gonna get for a quick hike up the hill. Brand new tripod. Finally. Now it's raining, so I'm gonna get out of here. New spot. Came to the waterfalls here. Oh my goodness, look how nice this is. I think I'm just gonna shut up and start shooting before the light goes away. Because look how nice it is on that tree. I'm just gonna start shooting and then show you the photos after. Alright guys, so this is day 2. Now I'm with Corbin.
What's up guys?
Go follow him on Instagram. Fixed by CG. But we just got to this pull off. As you see, it's raining today. I'm gonna turn my lights off before battery dies. But yeah, we don't know what we're doing actually. We just thought there's a cool shot here. Cool shot of the road twisting down. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna take some photos and see how these come out. But yeah, not really any plan. I've never been here before, but like, look at that's so cool. The lake's just there. I don't know what I was trying to say there, but anyways, that was kind of a fail. I expected to climb up this rock here. It looked super easy, but it actually wasn't with a camera in my hand. I forgot my backpack and battery for my camera here, so we're just gonna go to a new spot. It looked kind of cool, but we thought if we were up there that we'd get a cool shot of the windy road from up top, but we're gonna go to the next spot. Finally got here. Thanks to Google Maps, we got taken like 8 kilometers out. Almost got shot. It's a lot of stairs though.
But they're plain.
Oh. Well, I mean, I kind of wanted to hike on a trail, but we got steps. Just like that, we made it. The waterfall. That's so cool. What's that? Yeah. There's the waterfall right there.